Hello, my name's Randall Sanford. I'm the founder of First Defense Industries. I've been doing designing and engineering for a number of years now, trying to make higher quality products for people instead of having cheap, immature products. So when it really comes down to the coasters we use, there's several treatments people can use. They can use a heat treatment, which I actually recommend heat treatments when you're trying to save your furniture, because pesticides cannot be sprayed on beds, cannot be sprayed on couches. And if that's what pest control companies telling you, that you have to throw your furniture away, people can't afford that. So heat treatment will do the same thing. Now, the problem with heat treatment is that it will not clean up the dead carcasses of the bugs or get rid of that matter, but the bugs will be dead and so will their eggs. But I recommend that they do, with a heat treatment, they also do a spray, just a company that does both, because then you can save your furniture as well as go out there and treat your facility or where you're at with the proper pest control company that also does, besides heat treatment, can spray the building. Now, if there's no furniture in the building, the people have moved, they've left there, but there's bed bugs in that building, you don't need heat treatment. You could use literally a regular pest control company to walk in there, do their spray, and that will be more than sufficient if they're a properly trained technician is doing it. And most technicians are properly trained, but you just want to be aware. Check your local area, find out if you've got a bad technician in the area and you're getting bad reviews. I would probably say look for a technician that's got good reviews in the area. You can do it yourself, but I really recommend that you get a professional. But if, let's say, you have a full house full of furniture and everything like that, you're going to need to get the proper heaters. I do not recommend ever using heaters that are using gas, propane, just for the simple reason is that there's a flame involved and you don't want to burn your place down, obviously. But there is heat treatment units that you can buy online that will heat up room for room. I don't particularly care for these for the simple reason is you really need to treat the whole house at once. So I would suggest that every time find a proper pest control company for the type of treatment that you would want to put on your house. With pesticides, some people can't be around them. So if you can't be around them, I'm going to recommend that you at least get heat treatment. And from that point on, and then do a residual, get somebody that can do a residual spray to kill the bugs that might have crawled into the walls where the heat may not have penetrated. And so when they come out, they'll die.